Hello everyone, this is Rastogi Ayush from Group 1931, Second Division. My topic is the morphological characteristics of ANS division. The autonomic nervous system is a part of nervous system that regulates the activity of internal organs. It is involved in a complex of reflex activities which depends on sensory input to brain or spinal cord or motor output. Autonomic nervous system is a complex set of neurons that mediate internal homeostasis without conscious intervention of voluntary control. It has two main divisions, sympathetic and parasympathetic. Sympathetic division is also called thoracolumbar outflow because the preganglionic neurons of sympathetic nervous system located in thoracic and lumbar segment of spinal cord. And the parasympathetic nervous system is also called the craniosacral outflow because the preganglionic neurons of parasympathetic nervous system is located in the nuclei of several cranial nerves and sacral segment of spinal cord. Sympathetic nervous system is activated in situations which requires alertness and energy, such as facing danger or doing exercise. It increases cardiac output, accelerates respiratory rate, releases stored energy, and dilates pupils. At the same time, it also inhibits body processes such as digestion and urination. On the other side, during the ordinary situation, the parasympathetic nervous system conserves and restores energy. It slows the heart rate, decreases the respiratory rate, stimulates digestion, removes waste, and stores energy. The sympathetic nervous system is therefore known as fight or flight response, and while the parasympathetic division is associated with the rest and digest response. Despite having opposite effects on some organs, in most organs, both systems are simultaneously active, producing a background rate of activity called autonomic tone. A balance between sympathetic nervous system and parasympathetic nervous system inputs. These balance shift one way or the other in response to body's changing needs. Now, the nerve pathway of ANS division. The autonomic nerve pathway from the control centers in CNS to the target organs are composed of two neurons, which meet and synapse in an autonomic ganglion. These neurons are called preganglionic and postganglionic neuron. In sympathetic nervous system, preganglionic neurons arise from the thoracic and lumbar region of a spinal cord. Their fibers exit by the way of spinal nerve to the nearby sympathetic chain of ganglia. In the chain, preganglionic fibers may follow three different routes. Some fibers synapse immediately with the postganglionic neurons, called paravertebral. Some travel up or down to the chain before synapsing. Some pass through the chain without synapsing, and this third group of neurons synapse in nearby collateral ganglia called prevertebral ganglia. It is situated in thorax, abdomen, and pelvis. From all these ganglia, long postsynaptic fibers runs all the way to the target organs. In sympathetic nervous system, one preganglionic fibers can synapse with up to 20 postganglionic neurons. Thus, the effect of sympathetic nervous system tend to be widespread. In the parasympathetic nervous system, the preganglionic neurons arise from the brainstem and sacral region of spinal cord. Preganglionic fibers exit the brainstem via several cranial nerves and exit the spinal cord. Parasympathetic ganglia located near or within the target organs, so the postganglionic fibers are relatively short. The degree of neuronal divergence in parasympathetic nervous system is much lower than that of sympathetic nervous system. Thus, the parasympathetic nervous system produces more specific and localized response as compared of sympathetic nervous system. As a summary, we can differentiate the division of ANS with some points such as preganglionic neurons of sympathetic division located in thoracolumbar segment of spinal cord, and of parasympathetic division it is located in the nuclei of 3rd, 7th, 9th, and 10th cranial nerves and sacral segment of spinal cord. The postganglionic neurons of sympathetic division are located away from the target organ, and in parasympathetic division it is located near the target organ. Length of preganglionic fibers in sympathetic division is relatively short, and in parasympathetic division it is relatively long. Length of postganglionic fibers in sympathetic division is relatively long, and in parasympathetic division it is relatively short. Preganglionic neurotransmitter in sympathetic division is acetylcholine, and in parasympathetic division is also acetylcholine. Postganglionic neurotransmitter in sympathetic division is noradrenaline, but in parasympathetic division is acetylcholine. Receptor in sympathetic division is adrenergic, alpha adrenergic, and beta adrenergic, and in parasympathetic division these are cholinergic, nicotinic, and muscarinic type.